So some corals are fluorescent, comma. This means that they absorb one color of light and emit a different one. By looking at the options, you need to know exactly what rule is being tested. Okay, this means, which it means, and meaning or meaning. So look at the sentence here. Some corals are fluorescent. That's an independent clause. This means that they absorb one color of light and emit a different one. Will this be an independent clause or not? This means that they absorb one color of light and emit a different one. You can put your answers on the chat. Okay, will that be an independent clause or not? Yes, that is going to be an independent clause. Got it? Now, when you have two independent clauses, can you connect it using a comma? When you have two independent clauses, will a comma alone be okay? Will a comma alone be fine? No. Okay. The rule is that when you connect two independent clauses, you either need a semicolon, or you need a full stop, or you need a comma plus fanboys. Got it? Only the comma won't work out here. Only the comma will result in a comma splice error. So therefore, you can say option A is wrong. Which it means. When you use which, you're trying to put it as a non-essential phrase, but there is no need to use the pronoun here. Got it? And meaning. So what is exactly happening here? This is actually functioning as a non-essential phrase. Some corals are fluorescent. Okay. What do you mean by fluorescent? Meaning that they absorb one color of light and they emit a different one. So it's clearly a non-essential phrase. And since non-essential phrases, they come at the end, you just have to put a comma before it and end it with a full stop. Got it?